Hello fellow educators and students. Today's video is going to cover screen recording using QuickTime. QuickTime, it's not a fancy program, but it's pre-installed on all macOS devices. So whether you're on a Mac Mini, an iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, you have it. No money needed. There are fancier programs out there that allow you to do a lot of other additional things. But if you just need something simple that works, and best of all, it's free, QuickTime. So, to open it up, you can come down along your dock and you can click on Finder down here and then go into your applications and look for QuickTime. Or what's even faster is you come up to the top right here and click on that little magnifying glass and type in QuickTime. And as you start typing it, it will just pop up for you. So I'm going to hit enter to open that up. Now, when you open up the interface, it's going to open up to a screen that you wouldn't expect to see. If you want to open up a previous video, or if you're just here to watch a movie, QuickTime can watch other movies also, so you could find it and open it up in the program. But to do a screen recording, you click on File up here. I did another video on doing a movie recording, which is basically recording yourself using your webcam. But you want to click on New Screen Recording. And what you're going to see up here down around the bottom here is a bunch of different options. The first option is capture entire screen. Now there's two terms you want to be aware of. There's record and there's capture. You can also use QuickTime to record a quick screenshot. It's not my suggested method. There's some keyboard shortcuts, and I will do another video showing a lot of those different shortcuts, but there are other quicker ways to do screenshots. But if you need to do it, there are some neat features within this that allows you to more control those screenshots, or captures as QuickTime tends to call it. So you can capture your entire screen, and if you click on that, it will capture your whole screen. You can capture a selected window. If you click on that, as you'll see as I come over to the Finder, it highlights that, which means it's only gonna capture that window that's popped up, or it'll capture my desktop. If I click on capture selected portion, you'll see this little, I like to call it a crop box, but you can resize that. You can move it around so you capture a specific area on your screen. The other two, and that's where this one's focusing a little bit, is on the record. And that's these two options. So you have two options. You can record your entire screen, which everything you do will show on the recording, or you can record a selected portion, kind of like the screenshot feature here. Now under options, there's some additional features. You can set a timer so that it begins in a certain time. You can tell it where to save it to, and they have a few options here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say record entire screen. Now, as soon as I do that, you're going to see an additional option that pops up here. One that has the microphone listed. So if you'd like to do some talking while you're doing your screen recording, you can select the microphone. So I use my Scarlett 2i2, so I would tap on that, and that would allow me to speak through my microphone as I'm doing it. If you want to use your built-in microphone, it will have options for the built-in microphone or any other device that you have plugged in that has mic capability. So I'm going to use my Scarlett 2i2, and when I'm ready to start my screen recording, you'll see my mouse is turned into a little camera. So all I got to do is push the mouse on the screen, and you'll see up at the top here that there's this little icon with a little stop symbol inside of it. So that lets me know that I am recording. So right now everything I do is being recorded. So we could actually cancel out of that. We could go into my Dropbox. We could look in my applications. If we wanted, we could open up a program. So if you wanted to show your students, especially as an educator, if you want to show your students how to use a special feature, you can open up the program, you can talk through it and show them exactly what they need to do. And then when you're done, you just come up to this little stop button and you click stop. And what you'll see is the video will open up, and if I hit play, there's this little icon that lets me know that I am recording. So right now So I'm going to stop that. And if I close it out, you'll notice on my desktop over here it says screen recording, and it already has it saved right to my desktop. You can change the name of it you want to be anything that you would like to do. You can open it up inside of iMovie if you'd like to make some edits to it. Or if you're just ready to send it out, you could upload it to your Google Drive, or you could upload it to YouTube or any other resource that you want to share it, or just send it directly through email. So that is how you take a screen recording on your macOS device. Don't forget to check out my site at adamontech.com, where you can submit suggestions or follow-up questions to these video tutorials. You can also leave a comment below or hit me up on twitter.com/AdamOnTech. So, until next time, this is Adam on Tech, signing off.